So did you know that offering a low-cost product like an ebook can not only help you make money, but it also builds trust and curiosity with your audience? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use an ebook as a powerful stepping stone to sell your high-ticket online course or coaching program. This strategy works because it allows people to experience your teaching on a smaller scale, making it easier for them to say yes when you offer more. So let's dive into how this works and how you can start using it in your own business today. Hey guys, my name is Dawn Marie and I'm here on YouTube documenting my journey of starting my very own digital product business from scratch, mainly ebooks and templates. And I'm taking you along with me, showing you what that looks like, showing you behind the scenes. I'm also sharing what's working for me that maybe you can try in your own business as well to sell your own digital info products. Plus, I'm breaking down my marketing strategies to give you helpful tips and ideas. So if you'd like to join me, then I hope you'll stick around and consider subscribing to the channel. Now, before we dive into the video, I do have something that'll make your journey much more easier, and that's my free 10-day action plan for launching and selling your own digital product that's going to give you a focused plan for getting started with your business. It's free to access, so be sure to look in the description box below for the link to sign up for it. Now, let's start with the why. Why does this strategy work so well? It's all about perception, really. When you offer a low-cost product like an ebook, you're not just making money, you're actually giving someone a chance to experience what it's like to work with you. So they're getting a piece of your knowledge and teaching, but because the ebook doesn't reveal everything about your high-ticket offer, it leaves them wondering, what would it be like to actually work more closely with them? And what would I learn if I invested in their course or their coaching? So this curiosity is what drives people to take the next step with you. It's not pushy or salesy. It's really all about creating a natural progression from a small investment to a bigger commitment. Now, let me explain a little about how this works. The key here is something called a value ladder. And if you're not familiar with this term, a value ladder is a way of structuring your offers so that each one builds on the previous one, gradually offering more value and charging a higher price point. So here's what it might look like with an example. So step one, that's your ebook, right? So that's your entry level offer. It's low cost and it's easy to say yes, giving your audience a taste of your expertise. Then from there, you could offer them a self-paced course. So this is where it could be priced anywhere from $100 to $500. It offers a bit more in-depth content, but it's still something that they can do on their own. And then the next step is a higher ticket coaching or online course. So this is where they get to be closer with you, where that maybe they might work one-on-one with you in a premium online course. So that by the time someone reaches your high ticket offer, they've already experienced your value on smaller levels and they trust you enough to invest more. Now, I've seen this work firsthand because there have been times where I have bought a small product from a coach and then upgraded to their full course because I already knew that their content was worth it, right? So let's specifically talk about how you can create your own value ladder starting with an ebook. So your ebook should be priced low, somewhere I would say between $7 and maybe $27. And then you want to focus it on solving one specific problem for your audience. It needs to provide enough value to make the reader feel like they have a win from buying it, but it should also leave them wanting more from you. So for example, let's say you're a coach teaching social media strategy. So your ebook might be something like 10 proven tips to grow an Instagram following. The ebook gives them immediate results, but it doesn't really cover every single thing like content planning, like engagement strategies, or like analytics. So this is where your self-paced course or coaching, that's where that will come in. So the ebook actually becomes the first step on their journey to work with you. So now that you understand how this strategy works, I want to make it as easy as possible for you to get started. And if you're thinking, this sounds great, but I don't know how to create an ebook, you can check out my video on how to create an ebook using Google Docs and Canva for a step-by-step tutorial. Or if you'd rather have it done for you, then I've put a link where you can check out my ebook design toolkit, which has everything, all the templates that you need to create a professional looking ebook ebook fast with Canva. And if you're ready to take this system to the next level, then also my 10-day action plan to launching and selling digital products will walk you through every step of preparing your ebook for a sale. Then you can continue to build a relationship with your buyers so that when you're ready to launch your online course, you have someone who is primed and ready to take that next step with you. The action plan, you can get access to that using the link in the description box below. Now, I want to conclude this video by saying this. This strategy does take consistency and time like anything else. You're not going to see results overnight, but if you stay committed, I think the effort is well worth it. You really want to start with a small ebook, create a journey for your audience, and then watch as they naturally take the next steps toward working with you. And also, you want to make sure that you're being consistent. So even if they may purchase the ebook, don't stop emailing them. Continue to provide value. Remember, it's all about building that relationship with them so that once they have your ebook and they have an idea as to how you teach, then they can gradually and naturally take the next step with you through your online course. And if you enjoyed this video, then please do hit the like button and subscribe for more strategies on how to grow your ebook business. I'll see you in my next video.